Hello and welcome. It's day 90 of our Travel Trader series, and today markets were going up a little bit, so we're getting a little smaller in terms of jumps up and down, at least for the moment. So it's a little bit smoother, and we will see what happens over the next few days. Currently we have 3 open positions after we closed 4 on Friday, making a little bit more than 808 euro, and our oil position is a little bit further down as oil prices went down a little bit again, and we are currently at minus 605 euro, which is still okay because it's for the longer term, so for several weeks and months. And I'm still convinced that oil prices will go up. Our position in sugar is basically unchanged, so it's mainly going sideways. We gotta watch it closely and see whether we continue to go sideways and then break out again, or if it's the end of the movement, then we would probably close the position, turn around, making some money when it goes down. Currently at plus 60 euro. And on the other side we have rice. So we expected the price of rice to go up for several reasons. I think I explained it in the video on Friday when we entered the position, and that's working out just fine. We're currently up 740 euro and 70 cents, and it looks like there is still some more to go. I already put in a protective stop loss order, I think at 250 or 300 euro. So whatever will happen with rice from now on, we will be making some money. That's always a good position to be in. So that's the market update for today. Still looking at several currencies that I want to enter very soon. As soon as we get some more signals to turn in to different trades like commodities, forex, or even markets, we will put some trades in there, and the 2 positions that I'm especially keen on. So as soon as we get these signals, I will let you know about it and tell you about it in the video. Now I gotta go to do a webinar with my students, which we have every Monday, to talk about potential upcoming trades and to look at the markets more in depth and see where they might head over the next week. So I gotta prepare a few things to talk about it, and we will see again, if you like, tomorrow. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening and goodbye.